Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Japan's involvement in World War II. We'll begin by understanding their strategic goals and key alliances. Japan aimed to create a vast empire, securing vital resources and expanding its influence throughout Asia. This ambition led them to form a powerful alliance with Germany and Italy, known as the Axis powers, setting the stage for a global conflict. Japan's aggressive expansion began with the invasion of Manchuria, establishing a puppet state. This was followed by a full-scale invasion of China, igniting a brutal and prolonged conflict across the region. Seeking vital resources like oil and rubber, Japan then extended its reach into Southeast Asia, occupying various territories and further escalating tensions with Western powers. The war saw major naval engagements, such as the pivotal battles of Midway and Okinawa, which significantly impacted the Pacific theater. Tragically, Japanese forces also committed numerous documented war crimes, including the infamous Bataan Death March, where prisoners of war endured horrific conditions and treatment. These actions left a lasting and painful legacy on the world. The war concluded dramatically with the dropping of atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, ultimately leading to Japan's unconditional surrender. Following the conflict, Allied forces occupied Japan, overseeing extensive reforms to its political and economic systems. This period reshaped the nation, paving the way for its post-war recovery and development. Remember to check the description below for a link to these handy containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.